Welcome to this tutorial on how to use EveryDollar on Android. EveryDollar is a free budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses, create a budget, and achieve your financial goals. To get started, download and install the EveryDollar app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can see an overview of your budget. The first step is to add your income by tapping on the Add Income button and entering the amount you earn each month. You can also add multiple sources of income if you have more than one job or receive income from other sources. Next, you need to add your expenses by tapping on the Add Expense button and selecting the category that best describes the expense. You can choose from predefined categories such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment, or create your own custom categories. Enter the amount you spend on each category and set a budget for each one. As you add your income and expenses, EveryDollar will automatically calculate your total income and total expenses, and show you how much you have left over for savings and debt repayment. You can also set financial goals such as saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or building up your retirement savings. To track your spending, you can connect your bank accounts and credit cards to the app, which will allow you to see all your transactions in one place. You can also add transactions manually if you prefer. EveryDollar also provides you with a monthly budget report that shows you how you are doing compared to your budget. You can use this report to make adjustments to your spending and stay on track with your financial goals. In addition to budgeting, EveryDollar also provides you with tools to help you manage your debt and build up your savings. You can use the Debt Snowball feature to pay off your debts one by one, or the Savings Tracker to monitor your progress towards your savings goals. Overall, EveryDollar is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. By following these steps and using the app regularly, you can create a budget that works for you, track your spending, and make progress towards a brighter financial future.